McAlpine's Fusiliers. Here we go.
Was in the year of 39, when the sky was full of lead, when Hitler was heading for Poland and Paddy for Holyhead. Come all you pincher laddies and you long distance men, don't ever work for McAlpine, for Wimpy or John Lang. For you'll stand behind a mixer till your skin is turned to tan, and they'll say good on you, Paddy, with your boat fare in your hand. Well, the crack was good in Cricklewood, and they wouldn't leave the crowd, with glasses flying and biddies crying, so Paddy was going to town. Oh, mother dear, I'm over here, and I'm never coming back. What keeps me here is the rake of beer, the ladies and the crack. I come from County Kerry, the land of eggs and bacon. You may think I'll eat your fish and chips. I Jesus, you're mistaken. Oh, as down the glen came McAlpine men, with their shovels slung behind them. 'Twas in the pub they drank the sub, and up in the spike you'll find them. They sweated blood and they washed down mud with pints and quarts of beer. And now we're on the road again with McAlpine Fusiliers. I've stripped to the skin with a darky fin, way down upon the Isle of Grain, with the horse face too, and I knew the rule: no money if you stop for rain. When McAlpine God was a well-filled hod, your shoulders cut to bits and seared, and woe to he went to look for tea with the McAlpine's Fusiliers. I remember the day that the Bear O'Shea fell into a concrete stairs. But the horse-face said when he saw him dead, well, it wasn't what the rich call prayers. I'm a navvy short was the one retort that reached unto my ears. When the going is rough, well, you must be tough with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I've worked till the sweat has had me bet with a Russian, Czech and Pole. On shuddering jam up in the Hydro Dam or underneath the Thames in a hole. I've grafted hard and I've got me cards and many a ganger's fist across me ears. So if you pride of your life, don't join, by Christ, with McAlpine's Fusiliers.
The late, great Ronnie Drew, ladies and gentlemen.